Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to show you a couple of different projects that use an invisible zipper. Please like this video and follow my channel for lots of sewing projects and sewing ideas. So I actually have two different videos on my channel about installing an invisible zipper. One is installing an invisible zipper without having the special invisible zipper foot, and the other video is about installing an invisible zipper with an invisible zipper foot. So those are two different videos you can watch to help you be able to install an invisible zipper. But let's talk about the projects and see the fun things you can make using an invisible zipper. So the classic thing you think of when using an invisible zipper is a dress. This is my daughter's dress I made for her last year, and this is the invisible zipper on the back. I love the invisible zippers are basically invisible. You can't really see it. I personally think that they're easier to install than other zippers, so I usually use invisible zippers first before using other things. They just, slide down so easily and then slide back up. I will say one thing about invisible zippers is a lot of people like to use them, but on really heavy duty projects like a wedding dress or a really fitted tight dress, invisible zippers are actually the weakest zippers of all of the zippers, and so they are more likely to pop, they're more likely to separate the teeth because of the pressure when you're pulling it apart. So I do know that there's some pretty heavy duty invisible zippers that they use for wedding dresses. I don't remember the size exactly, but I know that there is an option if that is something you need. Another place where you commonly see invisible zippers are skirts. So this is a pencil skirt I made, and it has a side invisible zipper. That's a classic place for an invisible zipper because it's invisible and it doesn't give any added bulk on your side, which you really wouldn't want. This is a navy blue invisible zipper, so you really, you can hardly see it at all. It blends in so well. I don't have an example, but another place to use an invisible zipper is on dress pants. I know that's very similar to a skirt or a dress, but that is, I think I see invisible zippers on dress pants more than other things. You often see them on the back or on the side, and you do have to be a little careful with those, just like with a skirt, that a zipper on like fitted pants or a pencil skirt, it is under a fair amount of pressure, so you have to be careful that it's not too tight, because then your zipper will, separate and pop open. Another classic place you see an invisible zipper is on throw pillows. So I actually have a tutorial for this, but this is an invisible zipper here with the pillow form inside. And this is a common place you see it. If you go to any home decor store, you're going to see a lot of invisible zippers on the side, especially more high quality pillow covers, because it's a little more work and a little more expensive than other types of pillow covers. But these are really great because the zipper just blends in. It's right on the edge. You can use your pillow on your couch or your chair and have a really nice look with that invisible zipper. But if you ever need to wash the cover, you can just take it out through the zipper. Now, the very last project that I'm going to talk about, I don't have an example of, but I've seen a lot of it online, is when people have an infinity scarf and there's actually an invisible zipper with a pocket on the scarf so that you can put your keys or your phone or whatever inside the scarf, and you don't have to worry about pockets. So it's a really great place to keep it safe. But I mean, whoever thinks of having a pocket on an infinity scarf? If that is a video that you want me to make, please comment below and say, I want to see an invisible zipper infinity scarf tutorial, and I can do that sometime in the next couple of months. It's a pretty easy and fun project, so that would be really fun to do and share with you. That is 5 different projects you can make with an invisible zipper in all different lengths and colors and sizes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. One is installing an invisible